as Kenya Red Cross, being auxiliary to both the national government and the county government, we will be able to support this process until all the bodies are actually at least transferred to their various homes. And with me is the team from ensuring that we support fully this process. And one of the issues that I want to request the public is tomorrow, the issue of blood donation will be able to proceed, and we want to request as many people as possible to come and support in donating their blood.
My name is Dr. Kwanza, head of disaster management at Kenya Red Cross. As Governor put it, mine is really to say maybe specifically what we do. We're involved in I think 2 or 3 items here. One is supporting the families that have been affected through organizing the psychosocial support, having the councillors here working of course with other actors on ground. We have the Association of Councillors, we have also an agency here called Irish in ensuring that generally the families that are coming here are able to at least access some refreshment and care of the volunteers. The other bit is support to government in management of the mortal remains. And as you may be aware, when you have this kind of a crash, most of the bodies are damaged. So it's one of the things that we are able to do, support them, the morticians here, give them that hand, of course with the equipment that we've brought here. So these are some of just the 2 major items. Beside that, we also take care of the psychosocial well-being of the workers here, including those who are working here, because this is not a usual kind of experience in terms of what happens. So what we'll request of the general public is normally patience, because sometimes the processes take a while. The bodies need to be identified and then postmortems to be done.